of your eyes, the pattern on your shirt, the shape of your shadow, the rest just a blur. I try so hard to remember more. The sweetness of your breath, the joke you always told, the way you wore your hat when it got cold. Somehow I'm forgetting the details of your face. Take a photograph so to not forget. When I'm looking back, I have no regret. But even then I will find something's lost to time. The funny thing about memory is what we leave behind. Always cried when I came back home. That look was in your eye, no sinner could atone. No mountain I could climb could lift me to your height. The funny thing about memory is what we leave behind. Funny thing about memory, I'm forgetting all the while.
You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year, a warm kiss in the cold. You're the whisper in my ear when I need it the most. If I was cast on an island and could only bring one thing, still you'd be all I need. All I need, I need. Say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak. Just know you're all I need. So when you're feeling blue with the weight on your chest, I can feel it too. take your worst and the best. I'll be there for you, like you're there for me, 'cause you are all I need, all I need, I need. How do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak? Just know you're all I need. You're all I need. Oh, you're all I need. You're the wind in my sails. You're the pull of the sea. You're the wish in the well, and my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. Oh, you'd be all I need.
An August summer breeze blows outside as the wayfaring daughter arrives. You left us for so long, but you're here now. We can't hide the tears in our eyes. I know you suffered long, and you needed some time just to be on your own. The days have come and gone, and it's clear now there really ain't no place like home. And you fly like a dove to join your true love. And like the sunrise, you light up our lives. You were just a child when you found that your voice was the window to dreams. Whenever you would sing, silent and time would stand still, so it seems. You fly like a dove to join your true